find.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're gonna need to download a file, which will take a second. It's just an Excel sheet.
That wrong site, wrong patient.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's a lot of numbers. Wait, what?
Oh, I wish I knew Excel better.
So on question 3, it says find the mean of the amount of hospitals. But is that from the Excel?
So it would be the mean of all those numbers.
Where is the mean? But that's okay. It's like a lot of numbers. Okay.
Please remember to round to 3 decimal points. Do not round until your calculation is complete. Find the mean amount the hospital had to pay in wrong site lawsuit. Round answer to the nearest whole number. Holy cow, that's a lot that they've had to.
Like I found number 6 and 7.
What?
But not the 3 and 4 is confusing for me.
Okay, so you just skipped those.
Yeah, because I didn't.
Let me look at the sheet again.
I just don't know if my math is right. I got 279.691.
So it's wanting to know how much was paid out, right? And you're going to, what number are you using to calculate that? Wrong patient? What numbers are you starting to calculate? Because you have the wrong site numbers, wrong patient numbers, and then comments on the Excel.
Question 3 says, find the mean amount hospitals had to pay out in wrong site lawsuits.
And
Oh,
so,
wrong site.
so then we're just calculating the wrong site.
Yeah, but there's like 411 of them.
What? Did any of you guys do the pathway program?
I did.
Yes.
Okay, in the math one, we had to use spreadsheets. There was a way that we clicked on and drug them down and like added them all together. Anyone remember how to do that? That would be easier at this point.
I didn't do the pathway program.
Because if you use Excel, there's formulas for the numbers to get the average and all that information, the mean and everything.
Oh. That's okay, that looks better. Okay, the number that I got was 80,041.24.
And
Yeah,
how did
that's
you
what
get
I got too.
How did you guys do that? I'm using my calculator, but it's gonna
That's
take a long
taking
time.
forever. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That's the one I wanted. Okay.
What did I do?
Hey, Justin, want to play some Mario Kart? What? Want to play some Mario Kart? Mario Kart? Yeah. Oh.
So it's gonna be, you're gonna press equals.
What?
You're gonna hit equals and then type in average. That's the one I was looking for.
Yeah, and that's going to be the mean.
I did it. I went and did the sum and then divided by 411 because I couldn't remember what the mean function was.
So you guys did that in Excel?
Yeah, if you do it
Yeah.
in Excel, yeah.
So I was trying to click on number 2, A2, and have it start calculating it that way, but it was like deleting all my numbers in there. And I don't want to do that. So how did you get it to do the equals, like the sum?
So you click in a different cell,
Okay.
like a blank cell, and then go into the function tab, hit equal, and then type in average, parentheses, or open parenthesis.
Ah, did it again. What the heck?
Oh, and they have a standard deviation function. That's fantastic.
It doesn't let me. Is it like possible to like one of you guys to share your Excel like on here?
Yeah.
Because I don't know how to use Excel.
So my screen, let's see.
Okay,
Let me find it. Okay, so
I see it.
so this is what I did. I'll just do it from scratch. So I just click in a blank cell. I hit equals average, open parenthesis, and then I shift clicked A2, and then wait till I get the plus sign, and then I dragged. I did drag all the way down. Nope, nope. Stop it. Come on. Or you could just do
You just drag it all the way down?
or you can just do A2 and then type in A412 because that's the last one, and then hit close parentheses, enter. That's how I did it.
Okay.
So I was doing it right. It was just doing it retarded.
Yeah.
It wasn't letting me drag down all the way, and I kept pushing other buttons, and so it would replace numbers. Okay.
Oh, so it's not shift click, it's just regular. You just click it like regular. And then okay.
Okay, so find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
So that would be $80,000 or no, gosh, I can't talk right now. 80,041.
80,000 what?
80,041.
Okay, when it comes to, you gotta pull down the two. Not you.
And thankfully, there is a function for median, so we can just find that real quick also. My answer I got is 68,552.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
60,000. What?
68,552.
68552.
Okay, let's see if that's what I got. I hate Excel.
It's funny because
I
every
know
time
how
I use Excel, I hate Excel, but then when I don't use it for a while, I'm like, man, I miss Excel.
when it does it right, it's like, okay, this is awesome. And then when you're sitting here trying to get it to do something and it's not doing it, it's so frustrating. You make one wrong click and everything's just messed up. Okay, there we go. To 412 equals. Nope, it didn't work.
That's probably why I couldn't remember the formula for standard deviation. It's because I just always did it in Excel.
Yeah, it's much easier than the formula. The formula is retarded looking.
Right?
Like,
I know you have to do
it's
something like
ridiculous.
square the I don't know. It's something ridiculous. I saw it earlier.
Square root with X in it. That was all I needed to see to not want to do it.
Find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. Wrong site.
For standard deviation, you just do equal and then STDEV.
STEYX is the only one coming up. That's the wrong one, right?
Because
Yeah.
I think you do ST. I think you should
ED.
do. Yeah, I think you should do STD, and it should come up with a list, and it's down the bottom STDEV.
STDEV. Okay, got it.
For are we in number 6 already?
I'm still doing number 5.
Oh, okay.
Number 5, I got 71,404.
Yeah. That's what I got too.
Yeah, me too.
No, I did not. I got hashtag div/o exclamation point. What am I doing wrong? Okay, you're just clicking on any random cell in Excel. Is that correct?
A blank
Yes.
cell. Yeah.
Yeah,
A
that's
blank-
what I do.
I'm on a blank cell, and now I was doing sum. Or am I not doing sum? I'm just
No.
doing ST.
Equals ST EV.
Right there, STDEV. This function is available for competitors Excel. 2007 earlier.
Yeah, it's fine. If you just click through it, it'll go.
Okay, and then in the parentheses, you're doing 80041. Is that correct?
No.
Is that the number we had for hospital pay for the wrong site?
No, you do the list of all the numbers for wrong site.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you can just type in A2 and then colon A412 and close parentheses, and then that'll give you the answer.
And that's way faster than how I was doing it.
Microsoft Excel found an error in the formula you entered. Do you want to accept the correction proposed below?
Yeah, just click, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you got 71,403.83.
0.83, correct? Yeah,
Mhm.
so then when you put that
Okay,
into the
so I
text
did it.
roundup, yep.
Yay. Okay, at least I got the same number as you guys. And so you're rounding it up to
4.
to 71404.
okay, 71404. Use the following information to answer the next 5 questions.
This one's a lot easier.
Because there's not like hundreds of numbers that are over like 1.
The data represents their survival times in months. Survival times in months. What is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients?
I got 7.
Yep.
Yay. Okay. So did I. Okay. 7 it is. That one's easier. What is the median survival time in months?
Oh boy.
So we have,
I got 4.
is it 4 or 2? What's we need? You want to play with me? Oh my goodness. You want yogurt? Okay, can you go get a yogurt and go sit up at the table when your yogurt's all gone and come upstairs and I'll play with you? You have Barbies? Okay, your sister's gonna be home in 10 minutes and she would love to play Barbies with you. Okay, so go eat your yogurt. That sounds like a good idea. Do you want to eat your yogurt right now at the table? Yeah. Okay. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. Where? Median survival time. Okay, you guys said you got 4.
Yes.
You took your 5 plus 19 plus 4 is 28. And then, oh. If you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Give the number that would be entered in the space labeled A in the table above. What?
So I'm guessing you just do what the column says, which is to do the the
Yeah,
data minus the mean. So I got minus 12.
I got 12.
Or yes, that's what I meant to say. Not
Would
minus
be
12, just
19.
regular 12.
Yeah, because
But what's the little X with the line over it? Should I know what that is?
That's
the
the mean.
mean. And then
So you did 19 minus 7.
and then for number 9, you just do the 1, the B, yeah.
Give that
Then 2.
B. Okay, so B is 1 minus 7 to the second. Did you get 36?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. What is the standard deviation of the survival times? Give your answer in months rounded to the nearest tenth.
I got 8.2. I just did it in Excel. I went to sheet 3 of the same page.
What's in sheet 2? Why didn't you go to sheet 2? What's the significance of sheet 3?
It's because at the bottom of my screen it says Google Hangouts is sharing your screens, and I can't click sheet 2 unless I stop sharing. So I thought or I could click hide. One of those. Oh, it was the most easily acceptable, easy button to push.
Okay.
Yeah, so you would round that up, right?
Yeah, I put I got 8.1649 and I rounded it up to 8.2.
Thanks.
For the next 3 questions, give the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit cost. What is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit?
Oh, no. In the wrong patient lawsuit. But I feel like it's not quite that.
I don't understand what you're doing when you said 0. What is the first number in the 5-number summary?
It would be the minimum, which would be 0. Right?
Is that what it is? The minimum?
So you have the minimum, the first quartile, second quartile, or the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. That's the 5 numbers.
Oh, right. Okay.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Should I know what you're talking about? What is the first one?
It's section 6.2 of the lesson.
So maybe I didn't get that far yet. Okay.
That's fine. I'm literally like scanning through the lesson as I'm doing this. Since the order of the numbers in the 5-number summary is fixed, it is not necessary to label each value individually.
This class may be the death of me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's actually 0. The answers are on the lesson.
Wait.
What is the second number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient's lawsuit data? Give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
Oh no, that's wrong slide. We want wrong patient. It's delete 0. Nah, that just doesn't seem right. Oh wait, this is a different one. Okay, so I put the data into the graph. And for the second number that I would get, which would be the first percentile, which is, I believe that's 25%, right? Or the first quartile. That's I got 3,900. So what I did was, in 6.2 of the lesson, there it is. It says Excel instructions to find the value for a 5-number summary in Excel. Download this quantitative descriptive statistics Excel spreadsheet, and then copy paste the data into the column, and it'll find all of it for you.
And so it's 3,900. Scroll down.
3,900.
What is the fourth number in the 5-number summary? They're wrong. 1, 2. So is it the 501?
I have 50,145.5.
50145.5.
Right.
Can you repeat that again, please? I think I got the wrong.
50145.5.
Okay, thanks. I wrote it wrong.
Redbox. I love Redbox. It's an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which Redbox to rent at the Redbox. Yes, we will.
It says give an estimated number. I don't think there's like an actual answer to it. I think you just have to be close.
I think 180.
180. That would be the maximum.
Are you just?
So it's the third quartile is going to be the median.
Wait.
So I just, yeah.
Wait, the median or the minimum?
Or
the third?
Let's see.
So 706 seconds is the max. So are you calculating all that, or what does the little box look like?
Okay, so wait. So
there's a pink box, and a gray box.
A pink.
I thought it was the whole.
So the minimum would be like 4 or like 2 or whatever that is, 10. The first quartile, I believe, would start at, was that 60 or 50?
Probably 50.
The
50 to 180.
Right? Because it's first quartile. Oh, the second quartile and the third quartile. So yeah. You were right, Gabriella. Third quartile. I was thinking the other way. Yeah, so 180. 180 looks about right.
Yeah, I would say 180 to add.
It's a good guess since it's just a, estimated number.
Yeah, keep it in digits.
I think that's a good
10.
one.
It'll make it easy. What is the longest observed time of Redbox customers?
What do you need to learn?
Like 720. really fascinates me. 720 divided by 60. That's 12 minutes. Who sits at the red box for 12 minutes?
I did that last week. Don't judge me.
Sorry, I'm not judging. I'm not judging. Now,
Okay, did you guys put 20 on 15?
15, I put 720.
Yeah, I did too.
Based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean?
I
Oh
don't
my
think we can
goodness.
really determine that.
Yeah.
Because we don't actually have any values.
Yeah, I
Because
think
the mean
it's
will
that
be
one.
skewed because of that maximum. I'm sure it's somewhere around like 100 and maybe 200 seconds. But there could also be like an infinite amount of results in just like from 0 to 180. So that's just my answer, is that it can't be determined. And I think that's it. I'll go ahead and submit first.
I was gonna say that. Sucker.
Well, we can do it twice,
100%, guys.
awesome.
You killed it.
That's hilarious.
I'm a brave boy.
Point, get it done. We're done.
Alrighty.
Oh wow, 100%.
So I actually needed to be at work right now. So is there any chance next week, if we like this time, or well, let's see. Actually, you know what? Amber, you said you weren't. Sorry, new Amber. We'll
Yeah.
figure that out.
My name is really Michelle, even though it's legally Amber Michelle Whaley. So
Okay, that makes it so much easier. Is Monday going to work for you?
Monday.
What did we say? It was like Monday at 3:30 or something like that.
3:30, right? It was 3:30 for Monday.
Yeah, 3:30. But
Is that gonna work for you, Michelle?
Monday, I'm on call.
Okay.
So it could be awesome, or if I get called in, then it's not going to work. I work 2 days a week and they vary.
Okay.
So next week I'm on call Monday, I work Tuesday and work Wednesday.
Okay.
How long are you on call for?
Until 5 in the morning until 1 or 2.
Okay.
So is that like one of those things where you'll be fine to get on unless you're called, and then it's kind of like,
Right.
yeah.
If I'm at work, then I can't be on the computer. I have patients, so I'm on the floor.
Right. So with these being due on Tuesday, I would just say let's just keep the time the same. Maybe try to find a time on Thursday if we can, so that way you're not working, and then we know.
Yeah, I don't work any Thursdays because I claim it as a work day, a school day. Because when I was in Pathway, I'd ask for Thursdays off, and I just continue doing that for my own well-being.
Let's figure out in text if there's a good time on Thursday. As for Monday, since that's our next meeting, let's just try to keep it 3:30, and if it doesn't work out for Michelle, then we can try to figure out a different day, or a time that's better, because it is due on Tuesday, and I would rather try to do it on Monday and not be able to figure it out, and try to figure it out if you can't make it on Monday, than to try to figure it out on Tuesday. You know what I mean?
Right.
So we'll stick with the 3:30 on Monday. And then we'll
3:30.
figure out.
Okay, I'm just gonna add it to my calendar.
Because I work Tuesday, Thursday, so I can't Tuesday, Thursday unless it's like after like 6:30 or 7, because I should get home by 6:30 or 7.
Yes,
Someone's not-
I work
Alright.
Tuesdays and Thursdays too.
Okay, that's right. Okay.
I'm sorry.
we'll figure it out.
Come on in.
But I gotta go, so I will catch you all later. Thanks for
Okay.
everything,
Okay,
guys.
thanks, guys.
Thank you.
All right, sounds good. Thanks.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.